Bright lights, big city so vast. Brooklyn, Bronx, the beats blast. Harlem nights, they go so fast. Staten Island will outlast. Bright lights, big city so vast. Brooklyn, Bronx, the beats blast. Harlem nights, they go so fast. Staten Island will outlast. Skyscrapers touch the skies. Central Park where dreams arise. Subway riders going wise. Queens ways with wide eyes. New York, hear the sound. From uptown to downtown. In the hustle we are found. This is where hearts pound. Times Square, the lights amaze. Broadway's in a dazzling haze. Long suit takes you on a craze. Madison Square Garden stays. Times Square, the lights amaze. Broadway's in a dazzling haze. Long suit takes you on a craze. Madison Square Garden stays. Empire State touching stars. Yellow cabs and dive bars. Coney Island not too far. Glitz and glam, no scars. Battery Park statue stands. Juilliard nurturing bands. Brooklyn Bridge, Lincoln lands. Manhattan, the proudest hands. Skyscrapers touch the skies. Central Park where dreams arise. Subway riders going wise. Queens waves with wide eyes. New York, hear the sound. From uptown to downtown. In the hustle we are found. This is where hearts pound. Square, the lights amaze. Broadway's in a dazzling haze. Long suit takes you on a craze. Madison Square Garden stays. Empire State touching stars. Yellow cabs and dive bars. Coney Island not too far. Glitz and glam, no scars. Battery Park statue stands. Juilliard nurturing bands. Brooklyn Bridge, Lincoln lands. Manhattan, the proudest hands. Stays. Empire State touching stars. Yellow cabs and dive bars. Coney Island not too far. Glitz and glam, no scars. Battery Park statue stands. Juilliard nurturing bands. Brooklyn Bridge, Lincoln lands. Manhattan, the proudest hands.
In the heart of the concrete jungle, the dreams take flight. New York City comes alive under the neon light. The streets are bustling with energy and peace. As the city awakens in its vibrant embrace. New York at night, a dazzling sight. A symphony of colors. A mesmerizing, rising light. The skyline shimmers like a million stars as the city dances under the moon's soft bars. From Broadway stages to the jazz club sway, the city's rhythm pulsates with a vibrant display. Yellow cabs honking, people rushing by. New York at night, it never says goodbye. New York at night, it never says goodbye. New York at night, never says goodbye. New York at night, never says goodbye. New York at night, where anything seems In the heart of the concrete jungle, the dreams take flight. New York City comes alive under the neon light. The streets are bustling with energy and pace, as the city awakens in its vibrant embrace. New York at night, where anything seems.
Concrete jungle where we play, neon lights guide my way. Bronx to Brooklyn every day, subway rides, we don't sway. Queens got hustle, never slow. Manhattan's pace, city glow. Harlem nights, the music flows. Staten Island's where heroes grow. New York dreaming, city high. Boroughs whisper, reach the sky. Street lights gleam and people try, living fast as life goes by. Back alleys and city parks, graffiti art leaves a mark. Voices echo in the dark, East River where dreams embark. Subway beats the rhythm strong, daily grind, it won't be long. City where we all belong, every block a different song. Skyline rises, buildings tall, through it all we stand not fall. Hear our voices, city call, together we're unbreakable. Queens got hustle, never slow. Manhattan's pace, city glow. Harlem nights, the music flows. Staten Island's where heroes grow. New York dreaming, city high. Boroughs whisper, reach the sky. Street lights gleam and people try, living fast as life goes by. Back alleys and city parks, graffiti art leaves a mark. Voices echo in the dark, East River where dreams embark. Back alleys and city parks, graffiti art leaves a mark. Voices echo in the dark, East River where dreams embark. Subway beats the rhythm strong, daily grind, it won't be long. City where we all belong, every block a different song. Skyline rises, buildings tall, through it all we stand not fall. Hear our voices, city call, together we're unbreakable.
New York, I'm feeling lost tonight. Hey, New York, I'm feeling lost tonight. Hey, New York, I'm feeling lost tonight.
through the streets, the city pulsating. The brightness of the signs invites me to dream. The sounds of the subway, the rush in my eyes. At every corner, a new story to tell. Amid skyscrapers, I let myself go. The energy invades, I can't stop. A coffee in my hand, I'm going to explore. In New York, anything can happen. I'm in New York with an open heart. The city that never sleeps, always close by. Lights and colors making me float. I'm in New York, it's time to love. Central Park calls me, a refuge in the midst of chaos. Walking among the trees, I feel at peace. Statue of Liberty, the dream shining in. With every step taken, life to celebrate. Among skyscrapers, I let myself go. The energy invades, I can't stop. A coffee in my hand, I'm going to explore. In New York, anything can happen. I'm in New York with an open heart. A city that never sleeps, always close by. Lights and colors making me float. I'm in New York, it's time to love. And when the night falls, the stars shine. Dreams go far away, it's time to dance. Theater on Broadway, I let myself go. In New York, the world is my home. Sleeps, always close by. The lights and colors making me float. I'm in New York, it's time to love. I'm in New York, life is a song.